We want to begin tonight with a scary situation in Addison. Authorities there have wrapped up an investigation into an explosion, and now neighbors, they're cleaning up the damage it caused. Our Randy Gyllenhaal spoke with them about what has happened, and he joins us now live from the scene. Randy?
Regina, authorities say this was a propane explosion rattling neighbors here. It sent shockwaves in this Addison neighborhood. It happened when behind me here on Wooddale Road, a box truck was driving by, then suddenly blew up, all of it leaving homes and cars damaged and little kids ducking for cover.
We hear this loud boom through the house. It looked like an earthquake happened. I'm not gonna lie.
The Foreman family cleaning up broken windows, walls, shattered glass. Just look at the aftermath. Debris was thrown everywhere. Authorities say it was a Penske box truck. It had a propane tank in the back that was leaking and then exploded just before 9 a.m. The blast knocking windows out of frames, shattering car windshields. Now, the truck driver survived with minor injuries. Nobody else was hurt, but the blast did knock down a wall at a neighbor's house.
The truck ended up pushed all the way into my neighbor's home, and it blew the brick wall down and barely missed her husband, who was laying on the couch on a Saturday morning.
As a precaution, authorities alerted the ATF as well as the DuPage County Bomb Squad, but at this point, this has been ruled accidental. We're live in Addison. Randy Gyllenhaal, NBC 5 News.
Thank you, Randy.